Mastering Proc SQL in SAS, a guide for base programmers. Proc SQL is the SAS implementation of SQL. It's a widely used language for managing and querying relational databases. Unlike traditional SAS procedures, Proc SQL is different. It allows you to do multiple tasks in a single step. Key advantages of Proc SQL include flexibility, combines data from multiple tables using joins. Conciseness, reduces the need for multiple data steps and procedures. Familiarity, it is close to standard SQL. This helps programmers moving from SAS to other platforms. Performance optimization tips for Proc SQL. Index your tables, use indexes to speed up queries on large datasets. Use where instead of having, filter in the where clause, not having, whenever possible. Having processes data after aggregation. Limit columns and rows, get only the needed columns and rows to save memory. Avoid Cartesian joins. Use proper join conditions. This prevents unintended Cartesian products, which can slow execution. Common pitfalls to avoid. Improper joins, missing on conditions in joins can lead to incorrect results. Overusing subqueries, subqueries can be resource intensive, consider alternatives like joins. Ignoring null values, be cautious with null values in comparisons and aggregations. Integrating Proc SQL with other SAS features, Proc SQL works seamlessly with other SAS procedures and data steps. For instance, you can use Proc SQL to prepare data and then pass it to Proc Report for advanced reporting. Conclusion. In conclusion, for any base programmer, mastering Proc SQL in SAS is crucial. It will improve their data manipulation and analytical skills.